Very nice, very nice. What is special today? What is special today? Van Mahotsav, Festival of Plants. Festival of why plants are important? Plant giver food. Plant giver fruit. Plant giver flower. You like flower? You like flower? Plant gives flower. Plant gives good look, beauty. Beautiful, plant look. Beautiful. Okay.
Do you know what we are celebrating today? Yes, what we are celebrating today? Van Mahotsav. What we are celebrating? Van Mahotsav. Do you know the meaning of Van Mahotsav? Yes, what is that? Festival of Trees. What is that? Festival of Trees. Yes, yes. Is the planting a tree is important? Yes. Why? Because it gives us shelter, fruits, flowers, and many things. Right? Yes. Our school is full of greenery. Yes. Yes. Full of plants and trees. Yes. Yes. You can see full of greenery, full of plants, beautiful trees, full of fruits. Also you can see. Right? Okay. Okay, children. Shall we start the program? Shall we start the program? Yes. Okay, let's start. One more step. Trees are life. Trees are life. No trees, no life. Trees are life. Plant a tree today. జూలై నెలలో వస్తుంది మన కరోత్సవం అంటూ అగ్గి పండుగ. చెట్టు మనకు ఆహారం ఇస్తుంది. చెట్లను కాపాడడం మన బాధ్యత. చెట్లను పెంచుదాం, ప్రకృతిని కాపాడుదాం, మనం ఆనందంగా ఉందాం. ధన్యవాదాలు. ఏంటి వన మహోత్సవం ఏంటండి? వన అంటే ఏంటి? వన అంటే అడవి. అడవి తెలుస్తారా అందరికి? వన అంటే ఏంటి? అడవి. మహా అంటే ఏంటి? మహా అంటే గొప్పది అని. ఓకేనా? ఉత్సవం అంటే పండుగ. వన మహోత్సవం అంటే ఏంటి? అడవి కోసం మనం చేసే గొప్ప పండుగ అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? ఈ వన మహోత్సవం ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? జూలై నెలలో వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు మా వన మహోత్సవంలో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? చెట్లు నాటుతాం. ఓకేనా? ఏం చేస్తాం? వన మహోత్సవ పండుగలో మనం అందరం చెట్లు నాటాలి. ఓకేనా? చెట్లు ఎందుకు నాటుతాం మనం? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి, చెట్లు ఎందుకు కావాలి మనకి? ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్తుంది చెట్లు. ఇంకేం ఇస్తుంది?
ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మీ బర్త్డే జరుగుతుంది కదా, ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అందరికి బర్త్డే వస్తుందా, ఆ రోజు ఒక ప్లాంట్ కంపల్సరీ నాటాలి. ఓకేనా? ప్రామిస్ చేద్దామా మనం మన బర్త్డేలో చెట్లు నాటుదామని? ప్రామిస్ చేద్దామా? ప్రామిస్ మన బర్త్డేలో ఒక ప్లాంట్ నాటాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ మన కోసం ఒక చిన్న స్కిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మనం చూద్దాం. అందరూ రెడీయా? ఓకే.
Carbon dioxide and wind and the bread. We should plant more trees. Thank you. Yes, shall we start? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a big tree. One day, a man was tired walking for a long distance. He was tired. He wanted to take some rest. He saw a tree nearby, picked some juicy fruit. He felt hungry and had some. He rested under the tree for some time. After some time, he woke up and went. See how they are playing? They are enjoying, right? Can you see that? How the tree helping children playing under it? Right? Okay.
Come back.
Greedy woodcutter saw a tree. They wanted to cut the tree to make money. What they want to make? Money. Oh no! Please don't hurt me. No, please don't hurt me. I will provide you shelter and good food. Please don't hurt me. Food, no air. Animals and birds were dying. After some time, a man came. He was in a search of shelter. He saw no trees are there. There is no tree. Then he poured some water. He poured some water on the tree somebody are hurting us, definitely we will feel bad, right? Trees also feeling bad, like cutting. Okay? Cry the trees. Cry the trees. Because I gave you rain trees. Because I give rain trees. In my cool shade, in my cool shade, you rest. In my cool shade, you rest. Eat my fruits that are best. Eat my fruits that are best. Take in my fresh smell. Take in my fresh smell. Let me live my life well. Let me walk. Why we have to plant more trees? Why? Anyone? Plant a tree, right? Right? Shall we start planting today, sis? Yes? Shall we start? Yes.
To celebrate one Mahotsav. What is the meaning of one Mahotsav, children? It's a celebration of trees. The when it was started, July 1st to 7th July. What we are getting from trees? We know, children. Okay. So what we will celebrate today? Yes, the festival of trees. Okay? What we will celebrate today? The festival of trees. Okay? Trees gives us what to be. After me. I will say after me. Okay. Trees gives us fruit. Trees gives us flowers. Trees gives us fruit. Trees gives us oxygen. Okay? Trees gives us medicine. Trees gives us wood for furniture. Okay? And trees are our best friends. You should not cut trees. Okay? Tell your parents, your neighbors, your friends, don't cut the trees. You should plant a tree every year. If it is possible, every 6 months. Tell your parents to plant a new tree. And you should water the plant every day. As in your previous lesson